Service in northern Indiana has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, Wabash County, Indiana, Noble County in northeastern Indiana, Grant County in central Indiana, Woodley County in northeastern Indiana, Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, Cass County, Indiana, Mudgrin County in northeastern Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, Allen County in northeastern Indiana. Indiana, Adams County in northeastern Indiana, Jay County in east central Indiana, Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Miami County, Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, this is a test message. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information about the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a communications exercise to ensure tornado warnings can be properly disseminated and received into test warning systems. At this time, please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school.